Hey, I'm Adam Jusko from ProudMoney.com. I got the new Amazon Prime Visa sent to me this weekend in the mail, and so I thought I would do a little unboxing of it. Now, I already had the Amazon Prime Visa. This is a replacement card. I went online and told Chase that my prior card was damaged and that I needed a new one because I didn't want to tell them it was lost or stolen, because then they'll change your whole account number and all that kind of stuff. Instead, I just got a new card, same account number, same all that stuff. So anyway, we're going to take a look at it. Because this is a replacement card, it's going to be slightly different inside here than what you would get if you were getting the card as a new card holder, but probably not a lot different. So no box for this unboxing, of course. It's just the plain white envelope with a return address from Westerville, Ohio, which is a suburb of Columbus. If you did not already know that, you can see that I've already torn it apart like a rabid raccoon in order to get in there. Needed to cover up my personal information before I start showing you the goods. All right, so let's open her up. Inside this envelope, we have actually two different pieces here, and we are going to start with the piece that has the actual card on it. On the top, you've got all your info, like part of your actual account number is on here, the credit access line, what you can think of as your credit limit, and then the cash access line, which you can think of as your cash advance limit. And then, where is it? Over here, it tells you to verify the card and to add it to your digital wallet. All of that good stuff. And then when we open it up further, this is when we see the card itself on there. Now you'll notice with the card that it actually is a dark blue design. Blue is the name of the game here for the new Amazon Prime Visa. And I have to say, I actually like it a little less than the previous design here, because that blue where it actually says Prime, it's not even all really that easy to see, I think. And then actually, if I pull this card off of here, I can sort of compare it to the old Prime Visa. I'll try to get a little close up there so that you can see it. Get my head out of the way. Maybe we'll get a little focus on the camera. But anyway, if I feel these two cards together, the new card may be a little heavier than the old card. I kind of compared the new card to some other credit cards that I have. It seemed like maybe it weighed a little bit more than the Chase Sapphire Preferred, less than the Capital One Venture X, less than the Amex Platinum, which is not exactly a surprise. Seemed like it kind of came in right around where the Wells Fargo Autograph Visa is, if you happen to have that card. But honestly, with a lot of these cards that are metal nowadays, I can't really tell all that much of a difference between metal and hard plastic. Yes, it's different than the cards that are like that super flimsy plastic. But so this one is, you know, it's got some heft to it and it feels hard. It's not like one of those, you know, super flimsy cards. But, you know, it's not that big a deal anymore with everything going metal these days. Looking at the back of the card, you can see that the Visa logo has moved to the back. We now have a blue stripe here fitting the overall design color scheme. Gives a little more je ne sais quoi. And also my finger is just covering up the numbers here. Don't take that personally, it's just my fattest finger. But underneath there, you would know, if you could see it, that they extended the expiration date on the card and then also changed the extra 3-number CVV number on this one versus the other one, even though the card number itself is not changed. All right, I slapped the card back on there. Now let's look at the bottom here where it shows the slightly improved rewards structure of the Amazon Prime Visa, which what they're now calling now just the Prime Visa. So this one is the Prime Visa, and if you don't have Prime, the other one is called the Amazon Visa, which is a very subtle change, but for whatever reason they did it this slight rebranding of the names. But anyway, you're getting still 5% back as a Prime member on your Amazon purchases, as well as Amazon Fresh and Whole Foods. I don't remember if Amazon Fresh was being called out as a separate item before with this card, but it is, at least as far as this is concerned. You're going to get 5% back on your Chase travel purchases, which is new with this card. Many other Chase cards are also giving you 5% back when you book travel through Chase Travel, and then you're getting 2% back at restaurants. You're getting 2% back on gas and local commuting and ride share, and then you're getting 1% back on everything else. Now remember, with the Amazon Prime Visa or the Amazon Visa, the regular one, you are only getting cash back that you can either get as cash back or you can use it as a credit toward Amazon purchases. And then there's some other ways that you can use your cash back as well with this card, but you are not getting Chase Ultimate Rewards points. So these are not interchangeable with the points that you get on other Chase cards. People always ask that question. So all of that was the main attraction, but there was one other thing in the envelope, and that is this return envelope, because this was a replacement card and the Amazon Prime Visa is a metal card. This has sort of become the norm now that they will send you a free envelope that postage is already paid for you to send back your old metal card, because unlike in the past, it is not so easy to cut up these metal cards like you would like to. So now you got to send it to them and have them recycle it. Anyway, that is the deal with the new Amazon Prime Visa, or just the Prime Visa. We're not supposed to say Amazon for some reason. With the rebranding, I would love to hear your thoughts about it. Do you think it looks good? Do you think it's better or worse than the old design? And any other things that you might want to talk about, put them in that comment section below. Otherwise, I thank you for watching. And as always, please go to proudmoney.com, where we do credit card reviews. We talk personal finance. We talk deals and all sorts of other fun stuff too. If you're not leaving a comment or you're not going to the website, the next video for you to check out is right there.